Alright, so I am here with ya boy Chimera, or Mr. Shyhead over there as always. We're going to be meeting up Dora where she's at Days of Dora, if you have forgotten. We're meeting up Miss Madam Liz. Right now we're going to Le Little Tokyo, nighttime edition. So pretty much, Little Tokyo has its own flares and wonders and everything, but we're coming at nighttime. We want some ramen. Who doesn't like ramen? You don't like ramen?
I'm okay with ramen.
Yeah, see? Everyone likes ramen, but he's more of a white rice kind of guy.
Steamed rice, yes.
Steamed rice. Nonetheless, we're going to be joining those two girls. I don't know which restaurant we're doing just yet. We'll find out, and as always, we'll let you guys know what we've ordered. And now the team is complete with Liz and Dora. We're heading off to, what did you guys say we're going to?
Bar.
A bar? Is it a
Reverse
sushi?
ramen.
A what? No manches.
Gosh.
Ah, so it's gonna be a Thai ramen bar. Okay.
Fine. That's reverse.
So far, so good. Let's see. Ramen special. Alright, let's take it inside. Okay, and sit it down. We already have our menus. Again, joined by Miss Dora herself from Days of Dora. When will you be posting? No one knows. And then we have Liz, the one that can never hell up except when it comes to the actual rating. Will she say more than yummy? And then Mr. Shyhead Chimera himself. Alright, so we're looking at the menu. It's actually pretty basic. It goes ahead. Oh, that's nice actually. I barely noticed it by flipping it over. Alright, so our noodle is our natural. I do like the baby. Random baby. Okay, so menu is pretty much straightforward. No pictures, so you pretty much have to put up a little bit of a leap of faith. Ambience, I enjoy it overall. It does look like its own Mr. Bars. Sit down bars if you think about it. It doesn't look too bad. I enjoy it. Art's pretty good. Supreme. We're not playing video games, so. Alright, so limited ramen per day. Wow, okay. Menu still looks enjoyable. At least it's not overwhelming with too many decisions, too many choices, because that's always bad.
They have no alcohol.
Wow, it's an actual, it's a bar here that has no alcohol.
Wow, the irony.
Can't be.
Yeah, drinks. On the plus side, it has French fries. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take a look around and we'll see what we order. Too bad for Miss Dora, there is no alcohol. Dun dun dun. Okay, so now that our orders have been placed through, I had decided to go with the number 5, the Red Original. The Red Original is supposed to be a tonkatsu noodle soup topped with spicy miso made with their family recipe. Now, the one that intrigued me, and I actually didn't notice, was that Miss Madam Liz ordered the number 7, right? Which is a black miso, which is tonkatsu noodle soup topped with slow roasted black garlic oil. Now, the funny thing about that is that in tradition, when it comes to Japan, the black ramen signifies for like loneliness, like the day after freaking Valentine's. I find that one hilarious. Yeah, seriously. And Dora, which one did you order?
Number 2.
Number 2. So she got herself miso
extra
tonkatsu, an extra egg, made out special egg. Which one did you order, man?
Number 3.
Number 3. So he ordered a premium soy sauce ramen. Alright, well, you do enjoy soy sauce accompaniment. Now, we didn't go ahead and order any drinks because we're still looking about seeing what we do. But now we're just gonna see the wait time. We've ordered, how long ago would you say?
Like, I will take around
Spicy
5
ramen.
minutes.
5. So it's gonna be like, it's 5-minute wait?
Yeah.
Okay, so
so far
far.
we're getting 5 minutes so far.
Alright, so we'll continue with the wait time. Thank you for your patience. And here is mine right off the bat. And that's what I was wondering too. That looks pretty good though.
Ruin it for me, guys.
You know, right off the bat, mine smells pretty good. Like, but, huh? Yours, I don't know. From here, it smells a little bit like coffee. I think that's why you like it. Coffee.
Let me try it.
It looks good. It looks good. That looks pretty nice too.
Yes.
To be fair, I think hers came out the best.
Yes.
Yeah. Me gustan los huevos
That look,
extra.
yeah, that looks good. That looks pretty well.
I don't know
Made.
about the black thing.
The black.
There's a black thing.
Well, I mean, I guess you'll find out. You want to give it a bite? Give it a go? Go, 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 go. Pretty much the whole thing. Now, aside from the word yummy, ¿cómo te salió?
But I like the flavor.
I like the flavor.
I need a spoon.
All right, Julian, how did yours come out?
It's like soy sauce ramen.
Isn't that what you like?
Yeah. But with a kick of pork for some reason.
With a kick of what?
Pork.
Pork. Oh, well, yeah. But I mean, yeah, well, that's pretty much what you ordered.
Yes. But
These girls are actually enjoying theirs. Just going at it.
can you use the spoon just to...
Yeah, you do it like that. Then you twist.
Like this?
Somewhat like that. Here.
I'm gonna have a...
You just put some here. Then from there. That's embarrassing.
You gotta wait about 10 seconds for GPS.
Put it there.
We don't have your GPS ready.
Oh, I see now. I get it.
That's actually pretty good. It's not as spicy as I thought it was going to be. But then again, spicy is different. The taste is really good. It's actually not that disappointing. If you, Mr. Julian, can get a new go. There you go, there you go, there you go. You got it, you got it, you got it. There you go.
Yeah, pretty good.
There you go.
Try again.
And then these girls are still pretty happily chomping at theirs. How does your last meal taste?
I think I'm gonna miss ramen.
I think you're gonna miss sushi more.
I'm gonna miss sushi and ramen. I mean, those are the main things that I eat. And sadly, because of the carbs, I won't be eating them no more.
Don't worry, you can look back at this video and see the happiness from your face.
But I could always come back and without noodles and eat with those.
Oh man. Alright, we're gonna continue. But so far it's a very pleasant experience. So as always, I know it's not a competition, but I finished mine first. Julian looks like he's a close second. What happened?
Actually, she's the third.
Yeah, because...
She's done with her noodles.
Damn, no, you get fourth.
I know.
Dun, dun, dun. Pobrecita. Nonetheless, that was actually a very good, very pleasant experience. I actually enjoyed it. Just waiting for the final phase. Miss Dora is going through her punishment list, so va a sufrir. Mr. Julian, you enjoyed your ramen experience?
Oh, yeah. It's so authentic.
Yeah. What did you enjoy the most of it?
Everything.
I think you said it was that you could still taste the flavors on their own separate ways, right? You said you were tasting the soy sauce,
Soy sauce, pork, and beef. You know, even though it had no beef on it, but that's what gives it. It could be a spice that got it in there alongside with pork, which is good.
I mean, you heavily enjoyed it nonetheless, and you normally don't order soups.
No, I don't. You consider that this is the first time I ordered a ramen bowl soup.
Yeah, that's actually really true. Now, I actually really heavily enjoyed mine too. It wasn't as spicy I would like it to be, but yeah, well, things happen. But nonetheless, it actually had a very good, interesting flavor,
For mine,
and I really enjoyed it a lot.
it's too creamy.
Creamy. Well, most likely because of the. Oh, it's because it's miso, no?
No sé cuánto lo que
Probably. But you, what did you have any defining moments that you probably tasted?
Not really.
Not really.
I didn't see anything special in it. Just ramen, it was good, the flavor. It was not spicy. I don't like spicy. I needed more.
You needed more.
You want more?
I think she meant of her own. Nonetheless, pleasant experience. We're just waiting for the final little thing. Again, this is the My Ramen Bar. We'll go ahead and show you the final bits in a few seconds. Look at Julian go. This is his stamp of approval. It's like not a bad thing, but that's a stamp of approval. I've never seen you I've never seen you enjoy something more than okay. So I could actually guarantee that's a 10 out of 10 for you. For you, I feel like you're giving it a 7 out of 10, Liz.
She actually ate more than me.
Yeah, that's true. All
I
right,
like it. I like it very much.
all right.
And
Let's
yet
go.
again, I want dessert for my last day, so
Ah, okay. And here goes the menu. Or were you planning on something else? Something else. All right. Let's go somewhere else.
I need my beer.
All right. So as I said, I concluded. The girls are ending their night at Cafe Dulce. They're still ordering, but we're not rating that right now. What we're rating is My Ramen. Now it ended at $60, where it's actually not that bad. It was 4 plates, 4 platters. Not all that bad. It's not including tip. That's always something completely different. Now, anything other than that, the experience was actually very pleasurable. There was no loud music. They did have TVs playing, which was perfect for anybody that wanted to watch it. They're taking advantage of Disney Plus, not sponsored, but it was pretty funny to see that using that up already. Anything other than that, I did not hear any complaints from any of the associates. And pretty much it left them with enough room to go ahead and get some dessert. So out of everything, ambience, perfect. We didn't wait that long for our food, so service, perfect. The menu wasn't overwhelming. The food in general, I give it a pretty good quality, and even Mr. Chimera himself was able to finish everything where the guy's picky. Are you picky, Mr. Good Sir?
Yes.
See. So if he finished his food, I'm pretty sure you're going to go ahead and like this too. I hope that you enjoyed this video. We're getting back into it. This is going to be the first of many. I'm going to try not to backtrack. I'm going to be helping out, collabing with Miss Days of Dora. Link is going to be down below. Anything other than that, thanks a lot. And please let me know anywhere else where you want to have me go and rate.